Hey guys, this is Maria from asocial.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to send old photos on Snapchat as new snaps. If you want to share a picture that is stored in your camera roll but don't want to let your friends know when it was taken, then don't worry. There is one trick that will help you to solve this issue. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to Snapchat camera screen and click on the gallery icon. Select an image you would like to share. Press on the three dots icon in the top right corner and choose the Edit Snap option. On the right, find the scissors icon and click on it. Once you tell the scissors icon, your screen will dim. Outline the whole picture with your finger and hit the sticker icon. Now exit out of there and go back to camera screen. Take a snap of anything. After that, press on this ticker icon on the right. Choose the scissors tab and hit the sticker you have created a minute ago. Now enlarge the sticker until it takes out the whole screen. The only thing left to do is to insert a snap into your story or send to your friend. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to send all photos on Snapchat as new snaps. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.